Hi friends, we all know that during the school days, everyone find it difficult to write a multiplication table. Here we are going to learn how to write that multiplication table in a smart and easy way. To write any multiplication table, we have to understand two important things. One is template and another one is key numbers. We will see what is a template first. Template is a box with a number in a particular order. This template is common for table n with similar number. For example, the table for 1, 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, where it ends with number 1, the template will be like this. Similarly, table for number n with 2 will be like this. Table for number n with 3 will be like this. Table for number n with 4 will be like this. And table for number n with 5 will be like this. Before going to see the template for table n with number 6 to 9, we will see how to easily write this template. Okay? So, follow the arrow direction for order of writing number in the boxes and write numbers 1 to 9 in boxes for tables n with number 1, 3, 7 and 9. Like that, write numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 for tables n with number 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, and repeat the same number in the bottom box or in other boxes. If we look very closely, first number in the template will be the same number for which we are writing the table. For example, if we are writing template for number n with 1, the first number in the box will be 1. Similarly, in the template of number n with 4, the first number in the box will be 4. This will give an idea of from where to start the numbers. Here the template is given for 10 times, like 10 times of 2, 20, 10 times of 4, 40. If we want to write for 15 or 20 times, we have to repeat the same as given below. Here we have given for 20 times of 2. Now we will see the template for table n with number 6 and template for table n with number 7 will be like this. Template for table n with 8 will be like this. Template for table n with 9 will be like this. When it comes to 10, 20, 30 table, we have to write the tables of number before 0. For example, if we want to write table for 20, we have to write table of 2 and then add 0 after template number in each boxes. You can follow the same instruction for writing the template of 6 to 9 here. Further, there is another method to understand this template. If you see here that template for table 1379 looks similar. Only difference is that order of writing number here. Okay, and also the table for 1, the first 1 will start in the first box, and for table of 3 the number 1 start from third boxes, and for table of 7 the number 1 start in seventh box, and table of 9 1 is starting from the ninth box. This will give you an idea from where to start the numbering. Similarly, the tables for 2 and 8 are similar. Only the order of writing number 24680 is different. Tables for number n with 4 and 6 are similar. Only difference is the order of writing number 2468. Once we are familiar with the templates, we will see what is the key numbers. Key number is always based on the table needs to be written. For example, if we are writing any tables between 1 to 10, we have to use the key numbers 0, 0, 1. Similarly, if we are writing any tables between 11 to 20, we have to use the key number 1, 1, 2. It will go like that. These key numbers can be derived from the table for which we are writing. For example, if we are writing for 8th table, delete the last number in 8 becomes 0. Repeat the same number thrice, becomes 0, 0, 0, and add 1 to the last digit, becomes 0, 0, 1. So, key number for 8th table is 0, 0, 1. Similarly, key number for 16th table is 1, 1, 2. And key number for 123rd table is 12, 12, 13. As like this, the key number for 991 to 1000 table is 99, 99, 100. Now we will see what is the procedure to use that key numbers. There are three simple rules in using a key numbers known as start big small, shortly known as SBS. We will learn those rules by writing table for 2. Since it is second table, we have to write the template of 2 tables. Key number for 2 table is 001. Rule 1. Start by writing first key number before template number in the first box. So that means we have to write first key number, which is 0, before the template number 2 in the first box. Rule 2. Add middle key number to the inserted number of previous box if current template number is bigger than previous template number. Write that result before template number in the current box. Okay. Since the current template number 4 is greater than the previous template number 2, we have to add previously inserted number 0 with middle key number, which is again 0, and that result needs to be added before the template number in the current box. Here follow the same rule here since 6 greater than 4. Follow the same rule here since 8 greater than 6. Now we will see rule number 3. Add last key number to the inserted number of previous box if current number smaller than previous template number. Write that result before the template number in the current box. Since 0 is less than 8, as per rule 3, we have to add the final key number 1 to the previously inserted number 0. and the result is 1, which needs to be written before the template number in the current box here. Again here 2 is greater than 0, we have to follow rule 2. Continue like that, we will able to write two table very easily, and we can verify here. Now we will see how to write tables for 3 and 13. Okay, since these tables are end with 3, we have to write template of 3. Then write the key numbers. Key number for third table is 001 and key number for 13th table is 112. Follow the three simple rules known as SBS: start, big, small. Okay, and we can able to write table easily. Once you write, please verify with the values here. Similarly, the tables for 4 and 74. Since it is n with 4, we have to use the template of 4. Then write the key numbers respectively. Use the three rules to write those tables and check that value again here. We will see how to write tables for 5 and 15. Since this again end with 5, we have to write the template of 5. Then write the key numbers accordingly. Use those three rules and finish writing the tables of 5 and 15. Here tables for 6 and 36. As it ends with number 6, we have to use the template of 6 and write the key numbers accordingly. Key number for 6th table is 001 and key number for 36th table is 334. Again use those three rules and write it in an easy way. Here the tables for 7 and 17. As the tables are end with number 7, we have to use 7th template. Use the key numbers accordingly and write the multiplication table by following three simple rules. Here the tables for 8 and 58. Since it is end with number 8, we have to use the template of 8. Write down the key numbers accordingly. Follow those three simple rule SBS: start, big, small, and finish the table of 8 and 58. Okay, I hope it is very clear now what is a template, how to write it, and what is a key number and how to use it. If you know these four things very clearly, you can write any tables in a smart and easy way. Thanks for watching this video. If you really enjoyed it, please like and comment it. Okay, and if you are feeling that it will be helpful to someone, please share it. For more interesting learning videos, please subscribe the channel.